Introducing the HP StarBook Pro 1 for 2024, a marvel of modern technology and design. With its launch price of 5,799 yuan, approximately $817, this laptop combines elegance with performance. It's available in 3 stunning colors: night blue, slightly smoked pink, and moonlight silver, each adding a touch of sophistication to your tech collection. Weighing just 1.52 kilograms and measuring a slim 17.5 millimeters. It's the epitome of portability without sacrificing power. The display is a visual feast, featuring a 2.5K 120Hz IPS 16:10 matte screen, with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, ensuring vibrant and sharp images with 300 nits brightness and full sRGB color gamut coverage. At its heart lies the powerful 14-core, 18-thread Intel Core Ultra 5 1-5H processor, with a TDP of 45 and a turbo frequency up to 4.5 GHz, supported by an ARC-core display and 3 AI engines, for unparalleled performance in AI image generation and video processing. With 16 GB of 7,467 MHz LPDDR5 fax RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it promises smooth and efficient operation. Privacy is prioritized with a 5MP camera featuring IR infrared face recognition and a camera privacy film. Connectivity is comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and multiple ports for all your needs. The 68 hours battery supports 100 PD fast charging, offering up to 12.5 hours of battery life. HP's commitment to customer satisfaction is further demonstrated by a 3-year service package, ensuring peace of mind with continuous online support. The HP StarBook Pro 14 2024 is not just a laptop. It's a statement of style and functionality.